पुढे करायचं का थोडंसं. Hello guys, Ajit here. So we are just waiting for Aradhna. Okay. So today we'll be having a yoga session, and it will cover most of few yogas, starting yogas, and we'll have a Q&A session at the end. Okay. So here it is. So till that time, I'm just waiting for Aradhna to come out here. Let's see if she's there. Yeah. I'll ask her to join one more time. Yes.
Hi.
Hi Aradhna.
Hi.
Hi, Ajit here. Yes.
Yeah. So, am I audible nicely?
Yes, you're audible. You're audible.
All right. And the view is good?
Yes, the view is good.
You should be able to see me nicely. Then only you'll be able to follow me.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, hi. So I'll introduce yourself. You can introduce yourself.
Okay. Hi, everyone. This is Aradhna. I am a yoga teacher. So today I'm here with Jessa Peep to go for a live session. It's almost like a beginner one. Depends on the fitness of Ajit.
Yes.
So, yeah. So, Ajit, can you let me know, have you been doing any kind of workout before into yoga or any other kind of workout?
So I've been doing I go to gym 1 or 2 days in a week.
All right.
Since I was child, I used to do Surya Namaskar. So my father does yoga all the time. So I know a bit of it. Not that much, but a little.
Okay, so you have a little knowledge about yoga. I mean, the Surya Namaskaras and a little bit about it.
Yes.
Okay, great. So, what I have planned is to take you along with the more of breathing exercise today. So all the asanas, all the flows will be synced with more of breathing today.
Okay.
And a little bit of stretching also to make your muscles more flexible.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
So
Right,
can we start now?
Yeah. So shall I sit down over there?
Yes, because I should be able to see you nicely. Yeah.
Yep. I'll just adjust my view. Yep.
Yes. Yeah, that's a better view.
Yeah, I'm over here. Okay.
Okay. So you have to sit comfortably. Keep your palms open on your knees.
Okay.
Spine straight, shoulders relaxed, and keep your eyes closed. Concentrate on your breath. Observe your tummy going up and down with each inhalation and exhalation. Keep concentrating on your breath. Now observe this beautiful evening and bring your attention to your eyebrow center. Make up your mind for the next 1 hour class and take a sankalpa at this point that you will try not to shift your attention outside. So we will start the session by chanting Om once. We'll chant it together. Bring your palms to the chest center in Namaskara.
Mhm.
In front of your chest, keep your eyes closed. Inhale completely and chant with me.
Okay. Yeah, you're back.
Video got hanged actually. Yeah.
Yes.
Rub your palms here. Generate heat and cup your eyes. And remove your hands.
Okay.
Okay. I'm still audible?
Yes.
Okay. So now today we are going to do the basic pranayama, which is called as Anulom Vilom. I'll come a little front to show the mudra to you. So
Okay.
the left hand will be in chin mudra. So this is chin mudra. The tip of the pointing finger and the thumb is together. This is my left hand, so you have to keep it on the lap. Other hand is in Vishnu mudra. So last two fingers stretched out, thumb stretched out, and these two fingers closed. Can you do this? Yeah. So we started with the left nostril always. So you have to close the right one. So alternate. Yeah. So right hand in this mudra, left hand in chin mudra. It should be the
Okay.
opposite. Yeah. So you have to inhale from your left nostril completely and then close the left one. Exhale from the right. Okay. And then again
Okay.
inhale from the right one. Exhale from the left. So this makes 1 round. So we will be doing it for 9 rounds. Okay. So we'll start it. Close your right nostril first. Keep the spine straight. Once you have inhaled completely, close the left one. Exhale from the right. Again, inhale from the right. Exhale from the right. Again, inhale from left.
Okay. Nice.
Continue doing it. So you have to continue doing it for 9 more rounds. Okay?
Yes.
Continue. Inhale. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Continue doing this. Another 8 rounds.
Okay.
Ajit, you have to continue doing this. This is the pranayama,
Okay.
so you have to continue. Yeah. So do it with me. Inhale from left again.
Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Okay, let's do it for the last time. Inhale from left again. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Okay. Keep your palms on your lap. So this is called as Anulom Vilom. Okay. So the pranayama is done. We will be now shifting to the warm-up. Alright. So first we will be doing the neck rotation. So it's like this. We are in yoga. Everything is synchronized with the breath. So you have to inhale, take your neck up in this way. Exhale, bring the chin to the chest. Okay. So 3 rounds on each side. Start from the right shoulder. Inhale, take your neck back. Rotate your neck nicely. Exhale, bring the chin to the chest. Again, inhale, take your neck back. Keep your eyes open here. Exhale, chin to the chest. Last time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now from the other side. So from the left shoulder, inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. and exhale.
Okay.
Yeah. Bring your hands forward in this way. Yeah. Now make fist. You have to put your thumb inside, make fist, and rotate your wrists like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Take your right hand up. Hold it with your left hand in this way and stretch. Yeah. Now the other hand. So you're holding your left hand with your right one and stretch. Okay. Now we will be doing shoulder rotation. So keep your fingertips on the shoulders and rotate completely. So bring your elbows together in front and take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, good, 4, and 5. Okay. Keep your left hand on the mat or on the floor. Inhale, take your right hand up, and exhale, bend on your left side, looking up. Stay there. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, up again. Keep your right hand down. Again, take the left hand up. Exhale, look up. Bend on your right side. Inhale, up again, and relax. Okay, now stretch out your legs. Little bit of warming up the legs here. Yeah. So we are going to do flexing and pointing of the toes. You have to point your toes completely down, stretch your legs nicely here, and flex it back. Point down, flex back. Point, flex. Point, flex. Last time, point, and flex. Now rotate. Rotate your feet nicely. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now come to Vajrasana. So Vajrasana is like this. You have to sit on your heels in this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. So here you have to keep your hips on the heels. Stay there. Keep breathing all the time. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, raise your hands up again. Exhale, bring the hands down. Yeah. Now first, you have to come on the tabletop posture. This is the tabletop, wherein you have to make sure your wrist is just under the shoulder. So you're not leaning forward like this, neither back. So it's just under the shoulders. Okay?
Okay.
So here we are going to do cat and cow stretch. Very good for the back. People who are always sitting, doing office work, it's very good for them. So inhale, look up like this. You have to curve your back nicely. Nicely, yes. Exhale, bring the chin to the chest, move your shoulders up. Inhale once again, arch your back. Exhale, chin to the chest, push your shoulders up. Once more, inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to the chest. Last time. Inhale, out. Exhale, down. Now from here, tuck in the back toes and coming to mountain. Like this. Yeah? So here, your heels should be on the mat. If you're not able to keep your heels on the mat, paddle your feet like this, in this way. Keep paddling your feet like this. Okay? Yeah. Now bring your right leg forward. Inhale here. So to bring your leg between the palms. And other leg forward. You're bending fully forward here. Yeah. If you're not able to hold your legs from the back and push your forehead down. Now inhale, you have to come halfway up. Like this, yeah. Exhale, again down. Now again, inhale, come up completely, arch back. Exhale, relax. Keep your hands on your side. Yeah.
Okay.
So this was the warm-up. Now we will be shifting to Surya Namaskara.
Okay.
Okay. Before that, we will be trying with one balancing asana, which is a very basic one called as the tree pose or Vrikshasana. So you have to take your right leg on the inner thigh.
Okay.
Like this. On the inner thigh of the left one. Now when you are stable here, take your hands up. Completely up and stay there. I'll adjust my view. Stay there for 5 counts. 5.
I will go.
Yeah, once more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, good. You were able to do this. Okay. So, yeah. Next leg. So, bring your left leg on the right one. Same thing. Inhale, raise your hands up, and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, keep holding them, and 1. Relax.
Okay.
Yeah. So we will now shift to the Surya Namaskaras. You have to come to the top of your mat.
Okay.
Okay. Now bring your palms in front of your chest in Namaste.
Okay.
Now inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Completely down, bring your forehead towards your knees. Now inhale, take your right leg back in Ashwasanchalan. So you have to make sure your knee is not crossing the toes here.
Okay.
Okay. Now tucking the back toes. Exhale, take the other leg back to mountain. Like this. Yeah. Now inhale, knees down. Knees down. Exhale, chest and chin down. Now inhale, scoop out into Bhujangasana, Cobra.
Yes.
Exhale, again into mountain. Inhale, right leg forward, Ashwasanchalan. Bring your right leg forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Samastiti. So you have to repeat it on the left leg also. Okay?
Yes.
So once more. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, take your left leg back, Ashwasanchalan. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, knees down. Knees down. Exhale, chest and chin down. Now inhale, scoop out into Bhujangasana. Exhale, again into mountain. Inhale, left leg forward, Ashwasanchalan. Other leg forward into Panharsasana. Now inhale, arch back. Exhale, relax. So this makes 1 round of Surya Namaskara.
Yes.
We will be doing 1 more round.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Again, to the mat. Inhale, arch back. This time a little faster. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back, Ashwasanchalan. Other leg back. Exhale into mountain. Inhale, table, knees down. Exhale, chest and chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, right leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalan. Other leg forward, Padhastasana. Exhale here. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, relax. Once more. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, take your left leg back. Exhale, other leg back into mountain. Inhale, table. Exhale, Ashtanga, chest and chin down. Inhale, scoop out into Bhujanga. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, bring your left leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalan. Other leg forward, Padhastasana. Exhale here. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Samastiti. Relax.
Yeah.
So we have done 2 sets of Surya Namaskara.
Yes.
Sweating or you're okay?
Yeah, I'm all okay right now. Yeah.
Fine. So you can take a few breaths here. Okay,
Yes.
you can relax. Then we will move to another sequence. All right? Yeah. So you can come back to the mat.
Yeah.
If you have any question, you can ask me if you're not able to follow anything. All right?
Yes. So, users can also ask questions. They can post the questions in the question card over there. There's a small icon,
Okay.
question icon. Users, you can also post questions over there. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So
So
let's continue.
yeah. Sure. Okay. So again, coming to the top of your mat.
Yeah.
Okay. Now take your hands up, arch back. Here again inhaling. Exhaling, bend forward. Same way. Now inhale, look up like this, halfway up. And exhale, take both your legs back to plank. Stay in plank for 5 counts. Keep breathing here. 5,
5,
4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees down and go back to child pose. Now inhale back again to table. Exhale, chest and chin down, Ashtanga. Scoop out into Bhujanga again. Exhale, mountain. Now here, you have to take your right leg up.
okay.
Stay there for 3 breaths, 3 long breaths. 1, keep breathing. 2, and 3. Bend the leg here and bring the knee to the opposite elbow. So here, bringing the right knee to the left elbow. Now again, inhale, take the leg up. Exhale, bring the leg down. Same way on the left leg. Inhale, take your left leg up. Stay there for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Fold the leg, bring the knee to the right elbow. Again, inhale, take the leg up. Exhale, bring the leg down. Again, coming back to mountain. Stay here. Keep breathing. Now slowly jump or walk forward into Padhastasana like this. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, relax. Yeah. Okay, once more.
Once more. Yes, once more.
Yeah, one more. So this will be the last sequence.
Quite difficult. It looks simple, but it is quite difficult.
So it's all about breathing. If you breathe nicely, the postures become easy.
Yes.
Okay. Now inhale again, arch back.
Yeah.
Exhale, bend forward. Now inhale, halfway up, looking forward. Exhale, take both your legs back to plank. Stay here again. 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees down and exhale. Push your hips back, coming back to child pose. Now inhale back to table. Exhale, chest and chin down, Ashtanga. Inhale, scoop out into Bhujanga. Exhale into mountain. Now here, again you are taking your right leg up, folding the knee here and bringing the knee between the palms. So this is called as Kapotasana. The posture is in this way. My knee is just falling in between my palms. The back leg is straight. Okay? Initially it's difficult to sit in this way, but eventually you will get there. Okay? Now stay here, breathe. 3 breaths. Okay, now again tuck in the back toes, take the leg up in the air. Inhaling here, exhale, bring the leg down. Same thing on the left leg. Inhale, take your left leg up. Fold the leg at the knee. Bring the knee forward in between the palms in Kapotasana. Take 3 breaths here again.
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3. Again, press your palms down. Take the leg up. High in the air. Exhale, bring the leg down. Take a few breaths here in mountain. Okay, now drop your knees down and you can sit from here. So finally we are shifting to seated asana.
Yeah.
Before that, you can breathe a little. Keep your palms on the knees and breathe.
Yeah. Okay. We can do it.
Yeah. So, we are moving to some more asanas, which is the seated ones. First one, we will be doing a boat pose, which is very good for the tummy. So, keep your palms on the mat first. Take your legs up, halfway up, in this way. So, my leg is parallel to the floor. Now, when you find your balance here, take off your hands. Look towards your big toe. Stay. 5. Keep your spine straight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Bring your legs. Again, take your legs up. Stay here, there's no problem in this.
Yeah.
So, if you can straighten the legs, it's better. Take your hands off. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, relax. So that was the boat pose. Now stretch out your legs. Hold your right leg. Keep it on the left inner thigh like this. So this is a forward bend.
Okay.
It increases the flexibility in the lower part of the body also. Now inhale, raise your hands up. As you exhale, bend forward. Try to bring your chin or the forehead down as much as you can. Do not stress yourself. Yeah. Oh, good. Now inhale, back again, raise your hands up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Change. So this time your left leg is in the inner thigh of the right one. Inhaling up. Raise your hands up, elongate your spine. Exhale, bend forward. Stay here. Now again, inhale up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Now we are going to do it on both the legs. So both my legs are stretched out. This is called as Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your hands up again. Elongate your spine. Exhale, bend forward. Try to bring your forehead down. Inhale, up again. Raise your hands up. Exhale, relax. Okay, now you can sit like this. So if possible, keep your right leg on the top of the left thigh.
Okay.
Yeah. Now inhale, take your hands up. So here my pointing finger are together. All other fingers are crossed like this. Okay. Take your hands up. Elongate your spine. Arms will be touching your ears. Stay here again. It's the seated Parvatasana. Keep your eyes closed and bring your attention to your navel center. Keep focusing there. Exhale, bring your hands down. Open your eyes. Same thing. Keep your left leg on the top of the right one. This is the Ardha Padmasana. Now again, inhale, take your hands up. Pointing finger out. Squeeze your tummy in. Stay here. Now again, bring your attention to the navel center. Again, exhale, bring the hands down and relax. Okay, so we are done with the seated asanas also. Now we will move to the some of the exercise which is on the tummy. I mean, as you have to lie down on your tummy, it's basically for the back.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions, Ajit?
So,
No?
Yeah. So questions are like, I know some breathing is a little bit important while doing yoga, and
Yeah.
you're teaching it really properly in this session.
Okay.
Like
Thank you.
I can feel the breathing. I can feel my inner self in that breathing.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, breathing is very important because it actually lines up whatever you're doing. So you can just take an example like when you're anxious or when you're very angry or when you're nervous, your breathing, it increases. Yeah. The breath increases. But when you are calm or when you are just lying down or relaxing, the breath is always slow.
Okay.
So that's the difference. So breathing is very important in yoga.
Okay.
Whenever like we are breathing, it helps us to attain a posture more correctly. Okay, so whatever it is. So just now we have done the forward bending asana, Paschimottanasana. When you breathe and inhale and take your hands up, it fills your lungs, it elongates your spine nicely. And when you exhale, it squeezes your tummy in. Okay, and then you can bend forward nicely. So flexibility is also important along with the breathing. Okay,
Yes.
so that's why I emphasize on that more. Okay, let's move to the rest part of the yoga. So you have to lie down on your tummy. Okay, so a very simple one. Keep your hands near your chest. This is the Bhujangasana. We have done it in Surya Namaskar also. Now inhale, raise your chest up till your navel. So your elbows tucked in. Do not take the elbows out. It should be tucked in. Keep breathing here. Look forward. Exhale, bring the chest down and forehead down. Now again, take the hands a little away from the chest. a little back, and again inhale, come up, pick the whole body up, and take your neck back. So looking towards the ceiling. Again, do not hold the breath anywhere. Keep breathing here. Exhale, bring the thighs down, tummy down, chest down, and forehead down. Once more, take your hands towards the chest. Inhale, come up to Bhujangasana, elbows tucked in till the navel. Again, exhale, bend down, bring the chin down. Take the hands back away from the chest. Inhale, raise up, pick your full body up and neck up. Stay here. Again, exhale, bring the body down very slowly and relax. You can keep your arms in front like this and keep your face on the arms and relax for a while. This is called Makarasana.
Okay.
Okay. Now turn and lie down on your back. 2 sets of ab exercises we will be doing.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have just lie down on your back. I'll show you what to do. So you can keep your palms under your hips like this and raise both your legs up.
Okay.
Now stay here for 10 seconds and then I'll tell you what's the next one. Keep breathing again. Now slowly, at the count of 10, you have to bring your legs down, toes pointing out like this. 10, little down, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. At 5, your legs are at 45 degrees. Stay. Keep breathing. 4, 3, legs down, more down, 2, and 1 on the mat.
Okay.
Now once more at the count of 10, you have to take your legs up to 90.
Okay.
1 inch off the mat. 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5, legs are at 45 degrees. 6, straight legs. 7, 8, 9, and 10. At 10, 90. It's a very simple exercise, but very effective.
Yes, I can feel it in my
Now.
back as well as in abs.
More muscles to hold your legs. Okay, now slowly bring the legs down and relax. Okay. Another one, you have to take your legs up again. Take your hands at the back. Then you have to come up, touch the toes and back. Come up, touch the toes and back. 10 times of this. I'll count for you. 1, 2, 3. Good. Go back and 4. Again back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax, take your legs down and relax here. Okay, so we will be repeating both these sets again. So again, take your legs to 90 and start taking your legs down at the count of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one. Very good. Now at the count of 10, take the legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now take your hands at the back of your head. Now start coming up and touching the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring the legs down and relax. Stretch out your legs, relax for a while. Okay, last one. Hold your legs here at the knees. This is for the spine relaxation.
Okay, hold the legs.
So yeah, you have to keep the feet on the mat like this.
Okay.
Yeah, we are going to do the bridge pose. So you have to hold your heels if you can. Otherwise, just keep your hands on the mat. Now inhale very slowly. Inhaling, take your waist up till your chin touches your chest. Like this. Yeah. A little more up. If you're not able to do, push it with your hands and bring the hips up.
Okay.
Stay there. Now exhale very slowly. Bring the hips down. Sink it with your breath and relax. We'll do it once more. Exhale down. Again, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Okay, now stretch out your legs. Keep your palms on the side, palms facing to the ceiling, legs a little apart. Lie down in Shavasana. So I'll be taking you through a bit of Yoga Nidra here. I can't play the music here, but still you may be able to concentrate. Okay. So just lie down, keep your eyes closed. Now take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Breathe in, breathe out. Once more, breathe in deep. Drop all of your body weight on the mat and breathe out. Relax your complete body. Relax your mind. Initially, the thoughts will come. Watch them and slowly let them go. Bring your attention to your breath here. Observe warm air going in while inhaling. Cool air going in while inhaling and warm air coming out while exhaling. Observe your tummy going up and down with each inhalation and exhalation. Quickly, we will start surveying your body. Now bring your attention to the tip of your right toe. The right ankle joint. right knee joint, right hip joint, then take your attention to your left leg, left joint, left knee joint, and the left hip joint. So both your legs are relaxing now. Now bring your attention up to the navel center, going up towards the chest center, throat center. Now take your attention to the right shoulder joint, right wrist joint, and the tip of the finger. Again, take your focus to the left hand, left shoulder joint, left elbow joint, left wrist joint, and the tip of the fingers. Now again, both your hands are relaxing here. Now take your focus again to the throat center, moving up to the eyebrow center, and then to the top of the head, to the crown of the head. Relax your complete body. Relax your mind. Keep breathing. Keep focusing on your breath. Keep relaxing your body. Keep dropping yourself down onto the mat. Now, as you're relaxed completely now, tell to yourself mentally that I am happy and I am going to work towards the best of my health. Slowly drop all and your fingers. Now turn onto your right side without opening your eyes. Turn onto your right side without opening your eyes. Keeping your right hand under your head. And when you are ready, sit up in any comfortable posture. Do not open your eyes again here. Bring your palms to the chest center in Namaste again. As your body is completely energized now, let's pray for ourselves. Let's pray for the world. Pray for everyone near us. Let's show our gratitude towards the universe. Now rub your palms gently, generate the heat, and then cup your eyes. Do not touch your eyeballs. Now looking through the gap between your fingers, open your eyes, remove your hands with a smile. Yeah, so this was the Yoga Nidra. We are done.
Yeah, okay.
Hope you liked my session, Ajit.
Yes, so session quite started smoothly, and now in the middle it became very intense. So for me at least,
Okay.
it was quite a bit too intensity, and
Okay.
I thoroughly enjoyed that session. And so this is how at the end. Now when I got the Shavasana, so that was quite relaxing because of those heavy abs exercises with the leg up, leg down, and as well as the exercises in the front. Good taste of this medicine, yoga.
Yeah.
Really got a good taste of the yoga medicine.
Yeah.
Yes.
So instead of meditation, we did Yoga Nidra today, because yeah, the flow was a little intense. So I thought instead of meditation, we should go for the Yoga Nidra part wherein you lie down and relax.
Okay.
Okay, so this goes best with the music, okay, where you can relax a little more. Yeah, so this was it.
Okay. Yeah. So guys who are watching and who will be watching later on IGTV. So this is Aradhana's session, the yoga session, and she does it thoroughly good, and I'm quite happy with this session. So
Thank you so much.
thank you, Aradhana. Thank you for teaching me this.
Thanks for
wonderful
joining
asana.
me, Ajit. Yeah, thanks
Yes,
a lot
thank you
for
so
giving me a chance to join Jesta Peep. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes. So guys,
you
you can
then.
join Aradhana's Instagram channel and reach out to her for any yoga related queries and any sessions you want from her. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Bye bye. See you, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you guys.
See you.